everybody? Dad Bud Season here. Welcome back to the channel. It is race day. It is time. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be racing, but we're going to go see some awesome cars race. The reason I don't know if I'm going to be racing is, if you haven't heard, my C8 Corvette is coming in less than 2 weeks. So I don't want to risk breaking something on the Supra and then not being able to trade it in, not be able to get the Corvette. You know how it goes. But first things first, we got to get the Supra all cleaned up, ready to go. Some birds decided to drop some bombs on it. So yeah, got to get that all cleaned up. We all know what time it is. Cold start! So we got the lineup all the way out there. We're getting ready to roll out. Everybody's got on the road. Everybody, we're at the first stop here. Everyone's getting the cash out in case they want to spend some money. Can I get some gas? Morning. So yeah, got all this stuff going on. Got 3 Supras out here. Well, 2 including mine. Well, 2 without mine. But yeah, this is just a pack that we met up in Lancaster to roll down. But we'll be there pretty soon.
He wants to be close behind you. What happened?
Just ate a belt on the supercharger. Ate his belt, so now his car is overheating. He's done. He has to get towed. Reason number 1 why we're not going to supercharge a Mustang, right there. Belt shredded. Shredded. He bought a McLaren? Got the Pagani out here. right, now we got this C8 coming up. I'm really excited to see when it runs, considering mine's gonna be here soon. And the C8 is going up against the rally truck. This one's gonna be no joke. Someone's gonna be very disappointed at the end of this one. The 720 here is absolutely insane. Love it. Gain 717. Give him a follow. I love the orange. I'm not a big fan of orange cars, but this looks... Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful 720S. Oh, the dry carbon.
Better on these than the C7 does.
Look at all this. Yeah, this is great. Great conditions. So overall, McLaren 720S, 10 out of 10. That was awesome. Too bad. This is all Wolfpack rides. You haven't checked them out. Go check them out. Yeah, this is amazing. But these cars couldn't hook. The track prep is like not good at all. So yeah. But McLaren. So right here we got Savage Garage's Pagani Huayra. Absolutely insane. All right, so we're about to head out. It was a good day. It's really cold. It's way too cold out for all this stuff. So, yeah, we're doing what we got to do. But it was fun. It was fun. I wish I would have ran my car, but I also don't because I think the C8's worth it. And the track prep here wasn't the best. So it's all right. We got another Supra joining, and the wife's hanging out with her in the car. She's ready to go. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Definitely subscribe. Tell anyone and everyone you know to hop on the Dad Bod Season train. Join the Dad Bod Season family. And I will see you all next time. Dad Bod Season out.